Thinking of embracing your gray hair and style? These balayage looks make the transition flawless and chic. Tell us your favorite number below. 1. Soft silver balayage, a gentle blend of ash brown and silver, perfect for women starting to gray naturally who want a soft, youthful look. 2. Ashy gray melt, cool ash tones melt into silver ends, a refined choice for women over 40 wanting sophistication. 3. Platinum gray balayage, bright platinum shades add vibrancy, ideal for bold women who love a striking gray look. 4. Smoky gray waves, smoky gray balayage on long waves, great for women with thick hair wanting a modern edge. 5. Frosted gray highlights, icy gray highlights brighten darker roots, perfect for women easing into gray without full coverage. 6. Charcoal gray blend, charcoal roots fading into softer grays, a classy choice for professional women. 7. Silver blonde balayage, a chic mix of blonde and gray tones, ideal for women transitioning from blonde to natural gray. 8. Mushroom gray balayage, cool mushroom shades blend with soft grays, flattering for women with olive skin tones. 9. Salt and pepper balayage, classic salt and pepper tones add dimension, perfect for women embracing natural graying. 10. Beige gray blend, neutral beige tones soften the transition, a great option for women preferring a natural, subtle shift. 11. Gunmetal gray balayage, dark metallic gray shades with a shiny finish, ideal for women who love bold yet elegant looks. 12. Icy Ombre Balayage, white gray ombre adds brightness, a striking option for women with fair complexions. 13. Pearl gray balayage, shimmering pearl hues with soft highlights, perfect for women wanting a radiant glow. 14. Silver pixie balayage, short pixie with balayage highlights, an edgy yet graceful option for older women. 15. Steel gray balayage bob, sleek bob with steel gray tones, chic for women with fine hair. 16. Cloudy silver layers, layered cut with cloudy silver dimension, great for women wanting softness and volume. 17. Dark rooted gray balayage, dark roots with blended silver lengths, perfect for low-maintenance women. 18. Shiny platinum gray lob, a long bob with luminous platinum gray balayage, modern and glamorous. 19. White silver balayage curls, soft curls with white silver tones, feminine and timeless. 20. Radiant gray balayage, a smooth transition from dark to light grays, ideal for women wanting balance and elegance.